Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Little Hell on guitar. This beautiful song by City and Color is surprisingly accessible for beginners. We will start by ensuring your guitar is in standard tuning. Then, we'll dive into the four core chords: G major, C major, E minor, and D major. Practicing these transitions smoothly is absolutely key to mastering the song's foundation. Now, let's talk about the strumming pattern, which is crucial for capturing the song's feel. A good starting point is a down-down-up-up-down-up pattern. Try to emphasize the first two downstrokes to give it that driving rhythm. Keeping a steady tempo is more important than speed at first. Listen to the original track a few times to really get the rhythm into your head. The great news about Little Hell is that both the verse and chorus share the same simple chord progression. You'll be playing G, C, E minor, and D in that order for both sections. The key here is to really focus on the timing of your chord changes. Don't rush it. Practice each part slowly, perhaps at half speed, until your fingers feel comfortable and confident. Finally, let's look at the bridge and out row. The bridge keeps the same chords but might have a slightly different rhythmic feel, so pay attention to that. The out row is usually a gentle fade, often ending on a sustained G major chord. Remember to keep your strumming light and consistent as the song concludes. You've learned a beautiful song. Now go enjoy playing it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.